Okay, so notice today there's a UIL eligibility check, right? There's a siren going off. You need to be passing by today if you're in a competitive UIL activity like sports, music, band, RTC, dance, whatever, okay? Today is Friday, so you want to make sure you have your objective written down, and you're going to put your name on this thing and turn it in with 5 good warm-ups with 5 good objectives, right? Put absent on any days you were absent. Now, yesterday we learned how to do exponential regressions, which is menu 4.1a, right? But what if I mix them up? I mean, I give you linear or exponential, right? How do you tell which one's which? So the first unit we did menu 4.1.3 for a linear. Yesterday we did menu 4.1a for an exponential. So remember, first thing you're going to do is you're going to subtract. Okay, so I'm going to subtract bottom minus top. 9 minus 3 is 6. 15 minus 9 gives me 6. And then 21 minus 15 also gives me 6. Okay, so since all of those common differences are the same, that means it's going to be linear. Okay, that's what we learned in Unit 1. Now, what does that mean? Well, if you remember on the calculator, you go to spreadsheets, a new document, sorry, don't save, number 4 for spreadsheets. You put X and Y at the top. You type in your table. And again, for linear, we press menu 4.1.3. X must be X, Y must be Y. And then I get my M and my B, okay? So when here we go. So since it's linear, I'm gonna write the word linear. Let me zoom out here, okay. And then my equation is gonna be mx plus b, so it's gonna be 6x minus 3. Because over here, the m I got was positive 6, the b I got was negative 3. So you can write it as just a minus 3, okay? So remember, subtract first. If it's the same, you call it linear, and you do menu 4.1.3. Okay, let's do number 2. On number 2, let's once again do some subtraction. So when I subtract, 40 minus 80, bottom minus top, is negative 40. Bottom minus top, 20 minus 40 is negative 20. And I can already see that this subtraction is not the same. So I'm going to cross out linear, it's not linear. But before I say it's exponential, I need to try to divide. So we're going to do bottom divided by top, 40 divided by 80, gives me 1/2. And then I'm going to do the next one, 20 divided by 40, that also gives me 1/2. And if I did 10 over 20, I'd also get 1/2. So this is called the common ratio when I divided. So if your division is the same, bottom divided by top, you get exponential. You can write exponential. Now in your calculator, if you remember yesterday, we go to new document, don't save, number 4. Once again, X and Y have to go to the top. Type in our table. Okay, make sure you hit enter at the end there, and then you're going to press menu 4.1a. Menu 4.1, and then A is down here. You can actually click the letter A. X is X, Y is Y every time. Now this time it gives me an A and a B, which kind of like we've done in the previous days, you write as Y equals A times B to the X. So when I do that, I get Y equals A, 160, times B, 0.5, to the power of X. Okay, so I hope you see the difference. Linear, the subtraction is the same. Division, exponential, the dividing is the same. And you use menu 4.1.3 for linear, you use menu 4.1a for exponential. And right now, you want to make sure your name is on your warm-up. You want to turn it in for this week so you can get that easy 100. All right. And you're going to get this assignment, and you're going to make sure you work on it, turn it in as soon as you can. All right.